Click on the Start menu and type Run. In the box that appears, type MRT. Then press OK. This opens the Microsoft Windows Malicious Software Removal tool. Click Next, and then choose Quick Scan. This will scan the most common locations where malware might be hiding. If you have a reason to be seriously concerned, you can run a full scan instead. It's more thorough, but can take a few hours. Let the scan finish. If anything suspicious is found, Windows will automatically try to remove it. Now, let's check for unknown user accounts. Open Run again by pressing Windows R. This time, type netplwiz. Then hit Enter. You'll see a list of all user accounts on your computer. Look carefully. If you see an account you didn't create or don't recognize, that's a red flag. Click on the unknown account, then select Remove to block access immediately. Next, we'll check if any suspicious apps are running when your PC starts. Right-click the taskbar and open Task Manager. In the left sidebar, click Startup Apps. Now sort by status to show all enabled items. Look through the list. If you find anything unfamiliar, especially something you didn't install, right-click and choose Disable. This will stop that app from automatically launching every time your PC starts. It's an easy way to shut down sneaky background processes.